Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel. Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. Today's videos will be on Biu Jee. We'll be working on two specific sections, the Goima and the double Gan Sao. So we're going to go through fighting applications and Chi Sao applications. And we'll break each part out section by section from the form through the Chi Sao through fighting applications. But before we get there, I need you to click the buttons to like and subscribe and hit the bell to always so you'll be kept up to date with our videos. Left guard, left T-step, squat down. Switch right guard, right T-step, squat down. Switch back to left guard, left T-step, squat down. Return to flat neutral stance. Left Biu Sao, right Biu Sao, left Biu Sao, Lap Sao, palm strike. Right guard, right T-step, squat down. Switch, left guard, left T-step, squat down. Back to right guard, right T-step, squat down. Return to flat neutral position. Right Biu Sao, left Biu Sao, right Biu Sao, left Lap Sao, palm strike, close set. Defend the straight jab using a Pak Sao. Defend the rush using a T-step Gan Sao. Use the squat to bring him down. Control the arm, then check and punch to the back of the head. From the look Sao roll, your opponent is going to attempt a palm strike. Defend the palm strike using a Jut Sao. Defend the rush T-step Gan Sao. Squat, draw him down. Check and punch to finish the technique. Release step Biu Sao to defend the round punch. Biu Sao the second round punch. Biu Sao Lap Sao the third round punch. Palm strike. Gan Sao at the wrist. Move outside, check and punch. From look Sao roll, your opponent will step out and throw a round punch. Defend using a release step in Biu Sao. He will follow with a second round punch Biu Sao, third round punch Biu Sao, Lap Sao, Gan Sao at the wrist, move outside, check and punch to finish. Left side neutral, left Gan Sao. Right side neutral, right Gan Sao. Left T-step, Gan Sao. Front kick to the ribs, side kick to the knee, step down and flow into a Yun Sao, rotate around, Jut Sao, Yun Sao, Jut Sao, Yun Sao, Pak Sao, reverse palm strike. Set for Fut Sao, step across, Fut Sao, over the head, Dai Yun, Pak Sao, reverse palm strike, close left side. Right side neutral, right Gan Sao. Left side neutral, left Gan Sao. Right T step, front kick to the ribs, side kick to the knee, step down into a Yun Sao. Flow into Jut Sao, Yun Sao, Jut Sao, Yun Sao, Pak Sao, palm strike. Set for Fut Sao, step back across Fut Sao, Dai Yun overhead, Pak Sao, reverse palm strike, close section. Defend the round punch using a T-step with a double Gan Sao. Front kick the rib, side kick the knee, Hyun move outside, Pak and palm to finish. From Luk Sao roll, step back into a T-step using a double Gan Sao to defend your opponent's round punch. Front kick to the body, side kick to the knee, Yun Sao move outside, Pak Sao palm to finish. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.